Want to master pie charts in minutes? Learn the exact shortcut method from this video. Hello everyone, I am Anamika from Multi Edu Hub. Today our topic is pie chart. But what is a pie chart? Pie chart is a variation observation of components are represented by the sectors of the circle, and the whole circle represents the sum of the values of all components. Now, what is the formula? Central angle for a component equal to value of the component by sum of the values of all components into 360 degree. Now, I start a maths. Various mode of transport used by 1260 students in a given school are given below. School bus 350, private bus 245, bicycle 210 and rickshaw 175, on foot 280. Next, what I am doing? Look. Total student. First to write the total student. Total student equal to 1260 because it is given in the question. Next, you make a format. Item, then student, then central angle. It is a heading. So you marker use, you can use any marker or anything, underline it. Then number 1, bus. You write item name is bus. Student 350. Central angle 350 by 1260 into 360. You converted it by a degree. 360, then make a bracket and there is a degree sign. The answer is 100 degree. Next one. You put all the data into the angles, because in the pie chart we use only angles. Private bus equal to 245. It's also converted into degree. 245 by 1260 into 360 degree. You make it simplify and the result is 70 degree. Next one, bicycle. Bicycle student is 210. It also converted into angle. 210 by 1260 into 360. It is 60 degree. Fourth one is rickshaw. Rickshaw is 175. Convert into angle. 175 by 1260 into 360 degree. It is 50 degree. Number 5. On foot. Two eight zero by 1260 into 360. Convert into angle. Equal to 80 degree. Then you add it and check. It is back calculation. Add it and check. It is, if it is 360 degree, then your answer, your calculation is okay. If it is not 360 degree, then it is not okay, because in the circle the total angle is 360 degree. Then I put the values in the pie chart. How can I draw the pie chart? First, you take any radius, and draw a circle. You can take any radius, because your answer is not depend on the radius. Then you mark the center point and draw a radius. Then what you are doing? It is the main thing in this pie chart. Your first angle is 100 degree. Though, how can you put? In the protector, there is a simple dot. You put the dot in the center point, and match the down line to the radius. And draw where is the 100. Give a dot. Okay. Then you join it. One part complete. Look, there is a dot. So what you are doing? First, you write the degree, and you write there is 100 degree, and it will represent the bus student. So you write the bus. Then you start to color it. You can draw, otherwise you put all the angles, then color, it is also okay. Then you do the second dot. You put the same things in the center point, but in that cases you match the line on the line of the 100 degree. Then you write 70 degree. It is private bus. Second part already completed. Then what is our third angle? Our third angle is 60 degree. I put the center part, but in that cases you should match the line on the line of the 70 degree angle and draw 60 degree. Then you write 60 degree bicycle, because our third part is bicycle student. So I write bicycle and 60 degree. Next, fourth part is 50 degree, which is already calculated. So what I am doing, I put the same thing in this protector point, the center, and match the down line to the line of the bicycle, because it is make a circle. So you move the protector also. Then put the 50 degree. You write 50 degree and write rickshaw. 50 degree and write rickshaw. Next, what you are doing? Our last part is on food, and it is 80 degree. And 80 degree. I checked that all the angles add, and it is 360 degree, means my math is okay. So I put the center point and the match the line in the 50 rickshaw line, means 50 degree angles line, and check it is 80 degree. It is 80 degree. 80 degree is on foot. So I write 80 degree on foot. For the perfection, you should check all the angles. Then what you are doing, you start to color it, because it is a pie chart and you make it so attractive. So I take 5 colors and start to coloring one colors by the different colors in one division. You check there is pink, green, red, blue and yellow. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Multi Edu Hub, and thanks everyone.